back to Life and Fork. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a quick, easy protein waffle recipe I use for when you're doing some high cardio or whatever you're doing around the house. So hopefully you like the recipe. Stay tuned. For today's recipe, the ingredients that you will need are protein pancake mix, casein powder, protein powder, 1 whole egg, 1 large banana, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and some almond milk. Now we move on to our large bowl. We're going to add 50 grams of protein pancake mix. Whatever brand you use will work. I choose plain because it's easier to layer flavors. Now we add the chia seeds. Chia seeds are just simply an amazing super seed that you can use. At this point I add about a half a scoop of protein powder. I use whey. Then I add about a half a scoop of casein powder. The casein helps keep the mix nice and moist. Next I add the large banana and the 1 whole egg. I already started the mixing already to speed the video up. There is no measurement for the almond milk. What I like to do is add and mix, making sure not to overdo it and make it runny. With a whisk, I mix the batter till it's nice and smooth, making sure to get all the lumps out of the banana. Next, I heat my waffle maker and spray it with pan spray to prevent sticking. The great thing about this recipe is if you don't have a waffle maker, you can make pancakes. I pour about 8 ounces of the batter and cook for 4 minutes to get a nice crispy waffle. After my first waffle is done, I use a fork to pull it out and use the remainder of the mix to repeat the process.
Allah, please follow my fragrance. Hate them, but I won't let evil pace into my heart like it's vacant. I feel love. It's just sadness that's raining. Spinning time changing.
Once the last waffle is done, it's time to make it even more amazing. First, I add about a heaping tablespoon of almond butter. Next, some light maple syrup. And then, if there wasn't anything else, I top it with some bitter chocolate. At that point, I'm just speechless. There you go. You see how easy that recipe was. I mean, you get 2 big, nice, fluffy waffles out of it. Has a lot of different kinds of protein in it. It has some good fats. The way I topped it is just the way I like to eat it. So let's see how it is. It's sometimes, a little big just to even try to eat it, but it's so good. Banana, chocolate, peanut butter. What's there not to like? Well, I hope you guys like this new episode. I hope you like the recipe. I hope you try it. Tag me, leave me a comment, hit me up, ask any questions you want. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit your reminders. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.
Attention, attention.